What's up, you fucking posers? You dirty animals. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. This is another unboxing from week 4 of Supreme. As you can see, I got some stuff already. Well, one package came already, and this is the Public Enemy Blow Your Mind tee in medium and a black. This is something I'm gonna resell, so I'm not gonna be taking it out the package. As you can see, size medium. The medium is in the bottom right. I think this is just a collaboration thing. I don't think it's gonna be a new tag that they do, because they would have been done the new tags already, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is I'm guessing a new something for the collaboration. And then with the tee came with the poster, and I did get. This is just the pet poster. Undercover and Supreme. And then I did get the box logo, as you can see. It came with the Fear of a Black Planet sticker, the White House sticker, and then there's a box logo, just a regular box logo under this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the first thing that I got. I did get 4 packages in total. Let's open up this one, because I think I know which one this one is. This one should be the long sleeve. And I didn't open them before I recorded, so this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Hold on. You guys like black screens, right? Alright, oh shit, look at the bag. Big ass bag. I need to look more at the camera, or I don't know what I'm saying, but I need to look more into the camera than the actual thing, because you guys don't really see what I'm, because I'm pointing at random shit than what I need to be looking at. I don't know what I just said. But yeah, let's open this up. Nothing else. Let me put this. I don't know where I put this. Fuck it, you're over there. Okay. I got another poster, and then another little box logo sticker. Same thing as the first one. It feels like the production of the stickers of like collab stickers are more higher, because before it was like I could never get like a collaboration sticker. The only collab sticker I gotten from like last season was the Blood and Semen, and that's the only box logo collab that I gotten. I think there was a couple of collab stickers, but the only one I did get was a Blood and Semen. And the amount of money that I spent on last season was probably not worth it, just for that Blood and Semen sticker. But yeah, this is the long sleeve tees. Sat for a while. If you guys were on the drop day. But yeah, let's open this up, because this is a personal item. Oh, okay. I only have like 2. No, this is my second long sleeve Supreme tee that I have. This, and then the Arabic logo, which I'm wearing right now. But yeah, this is the counter attack on world supremacy, Undercover and Supreme. You got the tag, and then on the back, you ready? You ready? Bam. Fear of a Black Planet, Supreme and Undercover. You got the screen printed little graphic right here, Public Enemy. Some people didn't really like this drop or the designs of it. To me, I do like the album artwork, cause I'm into sci-fi stuff and, you know, like outer space and shit like that. So I don't know, it was pretty cool to me. So I just copped whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much the long sleeve. At the end of the day, it's just a t-shirt. But then I think this is the Crewneck. This should be the Crewneck. Black screen again. I'm hoping this is the Crewneck, because this last piece I hope is the one that I want to save till the end. I can feel the poster, I think. Yep. Nothing else. Put that shit over there. Okay, okay. 3 for 3 already. Damn. See, I'm telling you, the production of the stickers and shit like that is way more than it used to be. And I think that's because of the whole selling part of Supreme or whatever, shit like that, whatever they did. That's another poster. And then this is the Crewneck right here. Undercover Supreme. I do like the Undercover. I like when they collab with Undercover. I think they do really good, like, weird designs and shit. Let me take this out the plastic. I know you guys want to see this shit. Keep the bag pristine though. Alright, here it is. Pretty much, you got Public Enemy on the front, screen printed. And then on the sleeve, your right sleeve, you do have the Public Enemy little logo. And then that's pretty much all on the front. And then yeet it on the other side. You do have the Undercover graphic. I do think this graphic right here, or this design, this blow your mind like design is, I think, really clever and really cool. I think people really sleep on this design. I think people really like that White House T Interadome design way more, but to me this design is way sicker, to be honest. Blow your mind, like blow your mind. She's getting shot in the fucking head. Look at it. But yeah, that's pretty much the that's the Crewneck. I think we're just gonna sit on this, put this Crewneck on ice. I don't think it's gonna get that much resell, or at least too much, because it's not, you know, nothing. I want to say original, but nothing too hyped. But yeah, this is something I'm gonna sit on. Okay, this is the fourth item. I need to sit down. Ah, fuck, I'll just stand up. Another black screen coming up again. Whoa! That's weird. The poster is in the actual like shipping bag. I think it's called poly something? Poly bag? Yeah, there you go. The shipping poly bag. But yeah, this is the 4 for 4 now with the poster. Hopefully the sticker's in there as well. But yeah, hopefully you can't really see the top really well. This is the item that some people didn't really like and some people did. To me, like I said, with the theme of the outer space and the album work, it was something I had to have. The all over print was sick. Yeah, I do think they could have done better with it, but either way, something you can't really control. And hopefully a sticker pack is in here. I'm trying to... No, it isn't. Oh, yes it is. 4 for 4. Poster and sticker pack. But let me take this out the bag for your enjoyment. A close-up of close-up. Ooh, okay. Okay. The counterattack on world supremacy. I honestly, they should have left this like no wording. They could have just left it like blank right here and just let the all over print work by itself. That would have been more cooler to me, at least. You do have the album artwork right here. As you can see, it's all over print. The sleeves have like this galaxy. On the right sleeve, you do have the Public Enemy logo. And I do like how it's like masked. So inside it's the galaxy, and then the logo. Nothing on the left sleeve, just the continued all over print. And then on the back, you do have the fear of a black planet, just wording again. And then you do have the 2 planets. And then you do have Undercover and then Supreme. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you do enjoyed, then thank you. I know I'm lame. I know that. But either way, the items that I did pull out, they're gonna be mine, so yeah. This is the only thing I'm gonna be reselling. This one, again, let me know if you are interested, or hit me up on Instagram, Grailed, whatever. But yeah, this will be going to one of you. Thank you for watching. And why did the music stop?